Hello, it's Kingsley here and this is Copyright Tips Monday. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to write attention-grabbing headline as a copywriter with 5 easy steps. Last week, Monday, I promised to bring this video on attention-grabbing headlines, and so therefore, if you are a newbie copywriter, this video is for you. And if you've been struggling on how to write attention-grabbing headlines, this video is also for you. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you get everything I have to tell you that will help you improve your copywriting skills. To my returning subscribers, I want to say I love you and thank you for subscribing. I thank you for always coming back to stay with me on this channel. I really want to say a very big thank you. And to those who are coming to this channel for the very first time, I'm using this opportunity to say thank you for coming. Do well to subscribe so that you don't miss the future videos, because every Monday we'll bring you copywriting tips and ideas that can help you improve your copywriting skills for free. So all you have to do is to subscribe, and when you're done subscribing, do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so that every Monday when we post a video, you'll be the first to see it. So I'm going to show you 5 easy steps to take when you want to write attention-grabbing headlines. It is proven to work over times, and I just want you to pay attention so that you get all of it. But then, headlines. Somebody may say, what is headlines? And in case you're wondering what headlines are, they're the first thing a reader sees in a write-up. Now, you must be able to differentiate copywriting from every other form of writing. We copywriters, all we do is to drive in sales or drive more traffic to a website. The major purpose of a copywriter is to make a sale with his copy. But what happens when your copy is not attention-grabbing enough? Once people can't give you their attention, they cannot equally give you money. It's when they pay attention to what you want to show them, that's when they give you money. Headlines are strategically written, so you really need to learn how this strategy works. You don't just come out with something and you think it's going to work. There are steps, and that's what we're going to be discussing in this video. The number 1 step on how to write attention-grabbing headline is to be specific and very clear. If your headline is very specific and clear, people are going to pay attention to it. You must be very, very direct and to the point, so be very clear. You want to show them 20 ways to lose fat in 10 days. You just put it out there and you see your targeted audience running to you because you've been able to put what they are looking for as a headline and it has grabbed their attention. That's step 1. And step 2 is use hooks. I mean hooks. If you're able to use hooks, one of the beautiful things hook does is that hooks are able to grab attention, not just attention, they're able to possess interest and then at the end stir up desires. So if you're using hooks on your headlines, it's going to be a very good method. Let's say your headline have something like how to make 100,000 naira weekly with just your smartphone. I mean, that's hooking enough. Anyone that comes across that headline will be like, let me check what this is. And at the end of the day, they are being converted. So number 3 steps on how to write attention-grabbing headline is to use numbers. There are several ways of writing headlines, like how headline, what headline, and the number headlines. So use the number headline because once you're saying 5 ways to, 6 ways to, or 3 ways to, when you're giving out the numbers, people's attention will be drawn to the numbers and they want to get all of it. That's because you're actually showing them 5 ways or 10 ways to do one particular thing. So people always want to get the knowledge and get it almost for free. So when you use such strategy on a headline, it is most likely to convert at the end of the day. Number 4 is the use of trends. As a copywriter, you are on the internet, so you must be able to know what is trending at the point you want to write a sales copy. It is going to help you get a lot of attention. Now, if you're here in Nigeria, what is trending currently is politics, 2023 election, Peter Obi and obedient movement. Any copywriter right now that can be able to coil out something on the headline using obedient or Peter Obi, that person is going to draw a lot of attention and that's because it is trending here in Nigeria. So you check out in your country what is trending and use it on your headlines, and you're going to pull a lot of attention to your copy. I hope you get that. Yes, this video is thumbs up right now if you're learning something new. As we move to the number 5. Number 5 is very simple. Just write plenty headlines. Write plenty headlines. I mean, write like 2, 3, 4, 5 headlines, and at the end of the day you pick the one that is the most attention grabbing. Do not just write one headline. I think that's all you can do. No, as a copywriter you should be able to write plenty headlines, so at the end of the day you pick out of the 5 or out of the 10 you've written and then use it for your copy. These are the 5 steps on how to write attention grabbing headlines. I believe this video has been able to help you one way or the other. Feel free to ask your question in the comment box. I'm going to answer you. If you have a suggestion, drop it in the comment box, or you think anything is wrong with this video or right with it, just tell me in the comment section and I'll get to you immediately. If you're watching and listening to me right now and you want to take copywriting as a career, I would want to show you this guy here. Is a very good copywriter, a professional copywriter at that. He is very good. So if you're looking out for someone who is going to hold your hands to become a very good copywriter who makes money even while asleep, this guy is going to show you, because he is good, he's been doing work for himself, and he's one of the best copywriters in the world. To meet him, you have to come to the description of this video and click the link so that you meet him. You can buy his course or even sign up for his email list and just follow him, because that guy is good. At the end of the day, you'll be happy you followed him, especially when you buy his course. If you're looking out to make copywriting a career for yourself, it will pay you awesomely. So just go and grab it. So share this video right now to your friends and family. You may be helping someone out there without your knowledge. Thank you for watching to this point. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, because I bring you more videos on copywriting tips every Monday. That is why I would want you to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. And just like I said to my student, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.